Hi, my name is Ayu Roslan. So, don't forget to subscribe. Okay. So today, actually, I want to share with you things that I've got for free from few brands ataupun daripada Sephora ke. Kalau kita beli item more than this or we have like a lot of points, reward points, we can get item for free from Sephora Malaysia. I got this like for few months already, tapi I tak cuba. Kita tengok, kita unbox, we unbox together. And this one is from Cannes Apothecary, and I've also got this from Clarins Malaysia. Okay, but I don't think I can wear everything in one time, because like this is a facial cleanser. I will not show you the cleanser today. So from this package I got basically from Tarte, we have the Tarte High Performance Natural. Okay, and I've got this, the 4-in-1 setting mist. Can you see this one? Can you see this? Can you see this? I'm not sure. Yeah, hydrating boost. And we've got this Mermaid skin. This or the friction stick. So this is the brand. I mean, tengok dah habis dah. 215 ringgit. Okay, this lotion. 200 ml. It suits sensitive skin. Okay, I basically have this sensitive. Nampak tak? Can you see the redness? Basically, I have a very sensitive skin. Finish. Okay, so I've got two of this. This is Hyaluronic H2o Serum, and this is also the Hyaluronic Serum from This Is Works. I never tried this brand actually, never. I selalu choose this if let's say kita beli online kan, Sephora.com. Always ask us whether we want to add up the rewards. So siapa yang ada ribu rewards, this one like 100 points maybe. So I koyak macam ni. So that's it. My God, my son. Plum. Oh, plum. Oh, okay. So that's why dia tulis sini 2% hyaluronic acid dan slow release vitamin C membantu untuk plump and brighten the skin. Okay. Because I love to wear lots eye cream. Because it helps, okay. So this one dia kata boleh because this one is morning expert open eyes, so dia cakap boleh membuka. Macam dah berbulan dah. Dia still macam ada sensitive area. I'm not sure what is that. So I akan elakkan. Nampak tak? Terus ada reaction kan? And it is itchy actually. Actually this part kan pedih tau. I rasa itchy sangat. Next, what I want to try with you is this drink of H2O hydrating boost. Okay, it's just a boost, so we should try this. I tak tahu dia moisturizer ke apa, sebab this is dia tak ada macam anything to it's a gel texture ni, and bubuk ataupun you can just put on your skin. Okay, so the boost. Okay, orang cakap kalau pakai skincare ni selagi muka kau tak macam honey glaze, if you tak dapat the honey glaze punya effect tu, selagi tu maksudnya you don't put enough. Okay, so I tak tahu that one is moisturizer or what. I think it's not a moisturizer, so I will put another one. This one free tu kan. Oh no, this is the essence, not that one. So I will put my hyaluronic acid juga from Sothys. This one dia macam cream base, cream gel base, not creamy sangat. So this one I selalu pakai kat thumb. So I dah bubuh tadi tu banyak, so kita jangan banyak sangat. But I think I dah achieve the glass skin gitu. From Tarte, the sea mist tadi tu. This is 4-in-1 setting mist. Next, okay, before kita nak start makeup, okay. So today I'm gonna use this. This is from NARS punya Radiance Spray. So I'm using this kind of brush. Actually, it's a apa tu? This one is a foundation brush. Tapi it's okay sebabnya primer ni you kena make sure dia boleh not just macam satu lapisan atas kulit, but it supposedly can clog your pores, because sometimes bila you tak buat primer, you put directly the makeup on, sometimes the product can clog your pores. Next, my go-to daily is from this DIOR Backstage. My color, this one is 1.5, and I don't put it on my hand. I don't know how you put your foundation, but this is how I'm putting my foundation on. Okay, I'm done on the foundation. It's simple je. So this one, see, I still exclude. And then, okay, actually, daily basis, I akan pakai this one also from DIOR. Masa first, actually, I got the corrector ni from Ayang Kamil, but the color is 2N. But now I'm pakai ni 1W. At first, I hate it. No, after I bought it, I don't know how to, I mean, the effect is not the same as the NARS one. I always use the NARS cream concealer. So this one, dia mousse type. But after a while, I love it so much. I don't know why. Okay, I've got distraction. If you heard sound of a boy, that's actually my son, okay? The puff, okay? So put it here. You need to like fill in the pores. I'm not sure how I'm gonna explain to you, but okay, now macam ni I dab kan. Okay, so at some point like here, you can dab and make sure it fills your pores. Okay, now I'm gonna use the brush lah. Okay. Okay, after done with the brows tak payah lah tunjuk sangat, lama sangat kan. Okay, so now kita nak cuba this one, Naughty from HUDA Beauty. And buat macam, tak tahu lah, I tak tahu nak buat macam mana, nude ke whatever. So, we just try. I put this one first. Oi, nampak semua ya. Cerminnya, okay. I'm going to put this one, Hypnotic. Okay, so next color, I'm gonna use Arouse. Yes, baby. Okay. Okay, so now ada dua, nampak tak? Like this. So dalam ni, I nak try buat glitter sebab dia ada macam banyak sangat glitter. See? All the glitters.
And semua orang comment about this weird thing here. Macam, it's a plain with, macam, namanya slippery. Dia tak ada bubble of that eyeshadow inside. Sorry lah, I don't know. My son.
Maybe I should put the slippery tadi tu on my lid sebab tak ada colour dah. So, that basically the effect of the slippery. Naughty sangat, okay? Macam dapat efek basah from the slippery just now. Nama dia agak kinky sikit ni, but that's not the point. I have tried and tested a lot of mascara brand. My problem is my eyelashes is very, very short. Lancome, but it's not the Hypnose. Is I'm not sure. This Virtuose Drama, because this one is very easy to tanggalkan. You just use the water. Just use the water and then boleh tanggal macam tu je. Put water dekat situ and then you tanggalkan je lah. So next is the blusher. So because this one a bit brownish sikit, so I'm going to put something yang not pinkish. E.l.f. Okay. My undertone is cool, so basically pink is always good on me, but see, I love peach so much. I think it's more natural for daily use, so I'm going to put this. Tak ada blend-blend dengan banyak-banyak colour. Because I buat eyeshadow ni macam a bit basah-basah macam tu with the slippery just now, so I'm going to use this Huda Beauty. My favorite is the Seychelles Island something. So actually we're going to use the fan brush, okay, for the video, but for daily I guna je this brush, but you need to control. So this one we put light, okay, but I lupa. Kemas, even when you want to touch up, you already have the outline. Okay, I'm going to put today the YSL matte something, I'm not sure, the orange color. So dia punya applicator macam ni. Hopefully this is good enough for you. Wow, this is my first attempt, okay, so send some love lah sikit, okay. This is my first time doing this kind of video. I've tried before, but I hate it so much. But this time I just proceed lah with whatever content. I just try, we see which content that you like the most. Suka my content, any of your content, that after this I will upload more and more video. Okay, so kita jumpa lagi next video. Bye.